Who are you?
I'm a robot to eat some slime.
You're going to eat some slime?
And I love to eat dressing food. But I used to eat... Yeah.
Are you a tap dancing robot?
Yeah. I used to eat paper.
You eat paper?
Yeah.
Can you show me your best tap dancing moves? Wow. I can't hear it tap though. Are you also Rapunzel?
Yeah. My name is Beeple.
Beeple?
It's because my beaks look like people. So that's why my name is called Beeple. Beeple laughing.
I thought your name was Snapplehead.
Applehead.
Snapplehead.
Snapplehead.
Wow.
Is that funny?
Pretty funny.
Watch this. Hi, that was funny.
Okay.